Total Productive Maintenance (TPM) is a comprehensive approach to equipment maintenance that aims to maximize the effectiveness and efficiency of production systems. Example 1. Toyota Motor Corporation. Toyota implemented TPM to reduce downtime, improve equipment reliability, and optimize maintenance practices, leading to enhanced productivity and cost savings. 2. Example 2. Unilever. Unilever adopted TPM principles to improve equipment performance, minimize breakdowns, and ensure efficient production processes across their global manufacturing facilities. 3. Focus on proactive maintenance. TPM emphasizes preventive and predictive maintenance practices, reducing equipment failures and unplanned downtime. 4. Autonomous maintenance. Operators are actively involved in equipment maintenance, performing routine tasks like cleaning, inspection, and lubrication to ensure optimal performance. 5. Planned maintenance. Planned maintenance activities are scheduled to minimize disruptions to production, allowing for systematic and efficient maintenance work. 6. Equipment reliability improvement. TPM focuses on identifying and addressing root causes of equipment failures, leading to improved reliability and reduced breakdowns. 7. Overall equipment effectiveness (OEE). TPM aims to maximize OEE by optimizing availability, performance, and quality of equipment to achieve the highest possible production efficiency. 8. Early equipment management. TPM includes the early involvement of equipment designers and engineers in the selection, installation, and maintenance of new equipment. 9. Training and skill development. TPM emphasizes training programs to enhance the technical skills of operators and maintenance personnel, enabling them to handle equipment more effectively. 10. Continuous improvement. TPM fosters a culture of continuous improvement by encouraging employees to identify and implement measures to enhance equipment performance and productivity. 11. Total employee involvement. TPM promotes the active participation and engagement of all employees in maintenance activities, creating a sense of ownership and shared responsibility. 12. Safety improvement. TPM incorporates safety initiatives to ensure a safe working environment and minimize accidents related to equipment operation and maintenance. 13. Measurement and analysis. TPM utilizes key performance indicators, KPIs, and data analysis to measure equipment performance, identify areas for improvement, and track progress. 14. Equipment loss analysis. TPM includes analyzing and addressing various types of equipment losses, such as breakdowns, setup and adjustment time, and minor stoppages. 15. Planned equipment maintenance. TPM emphasizes planned maintenance activities, including periodic inspections, preventive maintenance, and condition-based monitoring. 16. Quick changeover, SMED. TPM incorporates single-minute exchange of die, SMED, techniques to reduce changeover time and enhance equipment flexibility. 17. Equipment life cycle management. TPM encompasses all stages of the equipment life cycle, from selection and installation to maintenance, renewal, and disposal. 18. Supplier involvement. TPM extends beyond the organization to include collaboration with equipment suppliers, fostering partnerships for continuous improvement and equipment reliability. 19. Equipment standardization. TPM promotes equipment standardization to simplify maintenance processes, streamline spare parts management, and enhance efficiency. 20. Continuous training and knowledge sharing. TPM encourages ongoing training and knowledge sharing among employees to ensure consistent understanding and application of TPM principles.